What's up, everybody? This is your buddy, your pal, Lennon Hawthorne, and I'm here with yet another unboxing. This is, I believe, from Cleveland, and this is an Amazon Prime unboxing. I'm not sponsored by Cleveland, Amazon Prime, but I would love to be sponsored. OHIO. As always, thanks so much for watching my videos. Please subscribe. Please check him out. My other thousands and thousands of videos. Hit the notification bell. Subscribe. First up, we've got the jumbo bag of Jack's Link's meat snacks. Jalapeno Carne Seca beef jerky. I love the flavor. Whew. It's got a little kick to it for sure. Tomorrow, your belly and your butt will hate you, but today, your brain and your mouth, your tongue are going to love you. Delicious. By the way, I'm not sponsored by Jack's Links, but I recommend it. I would love to be sponsored by Jack's Links. Jack's Links peppered beef jerky. Delicious. This might be my favorite flavor. I love it. I'm pretty geeked out about this one. This is the newest Bang flavor. I found that this is the best deal I could find. Was through Amazon. This is Radical SKADATTLE. I'm assuming this is going to taste like a Skittle. I will be doing a taste test and review just like all the other Bang flavors that are out there. I've tried almost every single one of them, and this should be up tomorrow. That's what she said. If you see this video, more than likely I will be doing the review tomorrow when I'm at work, because I don't really do energy drinks on my day off. Today's my day off. I've got natural brand Biotin Beauty Fast Dissolve 10,000 micrograms. I don't know what the hell that is. So this promotes healthy hair, skin, and nails. So I take Biotin regularly. I do every day. So I love, so I subscribe and save all these items on here, and I like finding the best deal. I like saving pennies when I can, so that way I can do stupid stuff and not feel as bad. But I love Jack's Link's great beef jerky. It is delicious. So I ordered Jack's Link's Wild Heat. This is extra hot. I have not tried it yet, but I mean, I bet it's hotter than the Carne Seca, and the Carne Seca is pretty hot. Next up, we got another one. Beef jerky is a really healthy snack. It's fairly low in carbs for the most part. We got 2 more Wild Heats. Hope I like it. Last but not least, oh hell yeah, I can't wait to try these. So this is Red Vine's sugar-free strawberry twist. I bought a whole case of them. It smells delicious. This will be great. Like, now that the movie theaters are open in my area, I'm going to be sneaking in jerky and sugar-free candy. Hell yeah. But, you know, there's some carbs. There's 25 grams of sugar, of carbs. There's 11 grams of sugar alcohol. But, you know, you got to live. You got to live a little bit. And I enjoy Red Vines. I think they're, along with a Pib Extra, Pib and Red Vine equal crazy delicious. You know, you got to live a little. You got to enjoy life. I try to, you know, I have regular candy here and there, but I try and live a little bit. And I don't know what I'm trying to say. I try and just cut carbs and cut sugar as I can. So eating stuff like jerky, you know, sneaking that into the movie theater is a little bit less carb than popcorn and hot dogs and nachos. Oh, God, now that you mention it. But having stuff that's an alternative, like, you know, sugar-free Red Vines, it's a healthier alternative to the bad stuff, and it keeps me in check. I've lost 224 pounds and counting doing this kind of stuff. It's working for me, and I hope that, you know, it'll work for you. Yeah, do exactly what I said. Just eat beef jerky and sugar-free candy. That's all I do. Thanks a lot for watching. Please subscribe. Please share. Cash at me at London Hawthorne. Go to onceuponat.net or riptapparel.com, riptapparel.com. Find your shirt of choice. Use my username London Hawthorne as your coupon code. Save some money off of each and every shirt. I get a couple bucks in credit. Thank you once again so much for watching my videos, and check out my other thousands and thousands of other ones. Have a good one.